stop right there and let the citizen go. I don't think so, Superman. I am Staffman. I'm here to kill you. Wait a minute, your name is Staffman? Yes, and I'm here to destroy Metropolis. That's a little on the nose, don't you think? Enough, let's fight. You're safe now. If you ever need me, just say my name. Nice to meet you, Jimmy. Welcome to the planet.
Thanks, Mr. Kent. It's an honor. I've read all of your articles.
Just Clark, please. And the honor's all mine. Harry can be a bit intense. Don't let him scare you off.
No, sir. I mean, Clark. I'm ready to learn everything. Photography, journalism, the whole shebang.
That's the spirit. How about we start the coffee machine? It's a rite of passage here.
Lead the way. Who's that over there?
That's Lois. She's great, but she doesn't mess around. She actually has to interview Superman later. Well, let's get to it, Jimmy.
So, Superman. Another day, another city saved.
Just doing what I can, Lois.
Right. What you can. Which apparently includes moving tectonic plates and catching falling satellites. Honest as always.
There are plenty of others doing their part in their own way. I try not to let it overwhelm me. I'm just a person trying to do the right thing.
A person who can bench press the planet?
Well, I try not to focus on that part too much.
Fair enough. One last question. What do you want people to take away from your actions?
That everyone is capable of making a difference, big or small. Every act of kindness matters.
Thanks, Superman.
Thank you, Lois.